Okay, this is the hostile brother in a circle. We want to find out the locations of n brothers in a circle in a way that the minimum distance between each pair of brothers is maximum. Okay, so we want to first calculate the distance between each pair of brothers. So here is the formula for calculations: xi minus xj square plus yi minus yj square bigger than r square. So that small r is giving us the minimum distance between each pair of brothers. The next constraint is in order to make sure that all of them are inside a circle with the radius capital R with the center of R and R. So the center is R and R here, and we are assuming that the R is 1, or we can even change that. Okay, so let's have a look at the code for this purpose. Here you can see the Python code. As always, we have to import the required packages. We do it here in this tab. We run it, so it's successfully run. Then we have to define the sets and the number of brothers. So n is representing the number of brothers, I is a range set between 1 and a model n, and j is the alias of I, r is the radius of the circle. Okay, and then we have to give the definition of the variable x and y and r. So x is moving between 0 and 2r, y is moving between 0 and 2r, small r is a positive number. Okay, also there are some rules for calculation of the distance between each pair of brothers. So you can see here, for every I not equal to j, the formula is as follows, and if I and j are equal, we have to skip the constraint. So model has one constraint that is defined over I and j, and the rule is C1 rule. The other constraint that is making sure that all of them are inside the circle, that specific circle, is this one. Okay, so that's obvious that the second constraint should be defined over I for every brother, and the objective function is given by model R, and the sense is the maximization. So we adopt the solver IP-up for this purpose. We give the required parameters to the model. R and N are specified here. We could put them in a dat file and then call that file, and then create the model and create the instance, and ask the Pyomo to solve that specific instance. Okay, so and finally show the results. I will run the code from the beginning to make sure everything is running smoothly. So we have 20 brothers with and a circle with the radius 1. So you can see here that there are 20 nodes here scattered in this circle, and it is trying to maximize the minimum distance between each pair of brothers, and that minimum distance is 0.485. Okay, thank you very much.